All right, welcome back. So we're going to start now with section 6.3. This is a partial fraction decomposition. Okay, so the sort of basic idea is, first, we know this integral pretty well. The integral 1 over x minus a dx, that's equal to the natural log of the absolute value x minus a plus c. Okay. Slightly less well, we know this integral, but we know it. 1 over x squared plus a squared dx. Let's actually, because we just learned how to do it, let's practice evaluating this one. Okay, so we see this is a trig substitution, right? So we have this x squared plus a squared. Okay, so we're gonna remember our trig substitutions. Sine squared plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. Let's divide that through by cosine squared of theta. Okay. So we're going to let x equal a tan theta. Let me write that a little better. Dx is a secant squared of theta, d theta. Okay, so we get the integral 1 over a squared tan squared of theta plus a squared. Dx is a secant squared of theta d theta. This is a squared secant squared of theta. So the secant squared cancel. You're going to get 1 over a d theta, which is theta over a. And theta is the arctan of x over a. Okay. Point is we know these two integrals, okay? And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to basically reduce more complicated integrals to basically these two integrals, okay? So let's start. First example, sort of canonical, or not canonical, but 3t minus 2 over t plus 1 dt, okay? So now here, we're gonna first start by doing just a little bit of division. Now, honestly, we could do this a number of different ways. You know, don't let anyone tell you, I mean, honestly, if I were doing this, I'd do 3t over t plus 1. Minus 2 over t plus 1. Okay, let u be u plus 1. That's how I would really do it if I was actually doing it. But we're trying to teach something here. Okay, so let's go back. And what we're going to do is that if the degree of the numerator is bigger than or equal to the degree of the denominator, we're going to first start with doing some division. Okay, so we're going to take 3t minus 2 divided by t plus 1. Okay, so 3t divided by t is 3. 3t plus 3, subtract 0, negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. Okay, so what do we get? We get this equals the integral of 3 minus 5 over t plus 1 dt. Okay, so that gives us 3t minus 5 natural log t plus 1 plus c. Okay, so far so good. Okay, well, let me go ahead, let's take it to the next video.